Hi, in today's video, I will be showing you how to add an attendance record to a student via the student browser. Let's get started. In Admire, go to School, Students. This will open the student browser. I'm going to click Search to search through our current students, and I'm going to search down to find the student that I want, Shmuel Noah Hirsch. If I go to the Attendance tab, this will showcase all of the attendance records of the student. Now in Admire, generally, if a student does not have an attendance record, that means the student was there on time. If, however, the student was either late or absent or cut class, then there would be an attendance record on file. If I wanted to add a new attendance record, I'd click New, and this will open the attendance window. As you can see, here's today's date, the grade, and the name of the student. I can choose if this attendance is excused, unexcused, or pending. In this case, I will choose excused. I'll choose the type from the drop-down menu as sick. I'll choose the reason as sick. I can make a note saying Shmuel came down with a fever at 5:45. And as you can see here, it automatically chooses based on the time, which is over here, which session is currently live. So we have the session that's 5:45 to 6:30 p.m., which is science. Now, what happens if really Shmuel was sick for the entire day? I can choose over here to have all prior as sick. I'm going to choose it down from the drop-down menu. Or, in our case, all later, I would want to showcase as sick, but there are no other later sessions. But let's say there were later sessions, for such as example, he came down with a fever at 3:30. Instead of having to manually check each one and choose sick, I can just do all later as sick. I'm going to uncheck it because it's not relevant. I can hit OK, and that will add the attendance record over here. As you can see here, it now has sick, excused, the reason being sick, the notes. It really should not be penalized, so I'm actually going to edit this one and uncheck the penalized box and hit OK. And now we're going to see it's not penalized. The session time was at 5:45 p.m. Who the teacher was, the subject, and that's how you add a attendance record on the student browser. It's important to point out, as always, that the best way to add attendance is via our Adrenaline portal. We will discuss how to do that in a further video. Thank you for watching. We here at Admire Academy are constantly creating new content so that you can further increase your understanding of the software. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.